Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to duplicate Safari tab on MacBook. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to pin your Safari tab, and now what if you want to duplicate? Maybe you just new using Safari or on MacBook. Now you're curious how to pin your tab. It's very simple to duplicate it. It's very simple. You can just click right. But before that, I will add another tab like this. So at this, you can click right on the tab that you want to duplicate, and you'll find there is an option duplicate tab. You can just select on that. You can just select on that. So now you have two tabs to duplicate the tab like this and like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to duplicate tabs on Safari's MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.